Now, to create that curve, I'm not sure if I've got enough cuts in here or not. So this is, the last time I did this, it was on the inside steps and I had a baby pool to soak it in, but I've taken a cut all these slits all the way up this, all the way up this. I run my saw through there 3 times to make that gap fairly wide. Then I hooked up a C-clamp at this end with my ratchet strap, a C-clamp at that end, put it on the top, and put them bricks in the middle for 2 reasons. For one reason, to give it weight, and the other reason, to raise that strap up above the board. I'll probably end up adding more bricks before it's all said and done. And then I just take and I just keep pouring water on it. I know it's treated wood and it's not supposed to absorb water, but the water will make it a little more pliable anyway. And hopefully, and it's probably going to take me a couple days to get this thing round or curved. But you'll see, it'll work one way or another. It'll work. And I use hot water. Use hot water. So that's about it for now. It's in place, kind of. Got that 2x4 just to hold it because it rained a few days. See, nice and curved. Cut out that notch for my landscaping timbers, but it's curved. See, it'll curve around there. So now we just tear up a few boards here, find out what I got underneath here, run some joists across, put the decking on. That's all I gotta do. Just finished it. It's been 90 freaking degrees every day, but it's just what I was looking for. I can't really see it from this side. Get the shade here. There you go. See how that curves into the house? Comes right off that other deck, curves around. Perfect. It's got its flaws, but you know what? It's a deck. It's outside. The grill will probably be sitting there anyway. Well, most of the time. But I'm going to end up replacing this piece, this part of the deck next. When I tore into that, the other stuff was kind of getting a little rotten. Some of these are. So I end up replacing that, but not in 90 degrees. I'm not. The way I ended up doing it, is I cut each one of these boards individual. I was going to put them all down and then cut it with the jigsaw, but the jigsaw won't cut this shit. It won't cut it at all. So I etched it, and then I brought it out an inch, drew another line, and cut it all. So I got an inch overhang. So right now, as you can tell, I gotta go shut my dog up. But just wanted to show you how, if you dream it, you can do it. See ya.